No big deal. This is all waterproof. Everything in here is waterproof. So you just flip the little switch, pull the remote out. Drop proof. So a little rubber strap came off, but you can hear how it sounds. This is all encased in resin, so it doesn't matter. It is absolutely drop proof. So now it's in mode 1. Ooh, this pool's green. But underwater, it doesn't matter. Push a button, go to mode 2. So anyway, completely waterproof. Give me just a second. And then this stretches around, goes on your gun.